How to enable point-in-time restore points in Windows 11. Hello friends, point-in-time restore points enables you to restore your PC to its exact state from a previous point in time. Point-in-time restore automatically capture all inclusive restore points on an expected pattern and stores them locally on your device. When you run point-in-time restore, it restores Windows operating system, installed applications, system and app configurations, settings, and local user files. Follow the steps to enable point-in-time restore points in Windows 11. Click on Start, click on Settings, click on System, scroll down, and click on Recovery. Over here you will find point-in-time restore. Click on View or Edit for this. Turn on this toggle switch to enable point-in-time restore. You can also set restore point frequency using this drop down. However, for me it is grayed out as of now, but you can see it on your computer. In the same way, you can set restore point retention using this drop down. If you want to increase or decrease disk usage for saving the data of point in time restore, then you can use this slider. Current restore point will be showing here. Click on save, click on close. To disable point in time restore, click on view or edit and turn off this toggle switch. Simply click on save and click on close. To use point in time restore, you can go to start, click on settings, go to system, scroll down, click on recovery, and for advanced startup, click on restart now. In the troubleshooting environment, you will see point in time restore under troubleshoot. Click on this option and follow the on-screen instructions to complete point in time restore. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.